Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing sound and vibration. Over here, right away, click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate on silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down, click on more sounds and haptics over here, and tap on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!